Hello everyone out there, and hope you're doing well today. And we are going to review what the royal fork is. Can you tell me what the royal fork is? Can you have an idea? It has something to do with the royals. Now, on the chessboard, who are the royals? Can you tell me what that is? That is correct. The royalty are the king and the queen. So, a royal fork, which is very rarely seen. If you know of any games that you want to share with me, and I'll make a video of it, please write them down in your in the comments. But this was a game that was held in the 1960s between Petrosian and Spassky is the world championship. And so I'm just not going to go through the whole game. I'm at the move 29, and you can see not yet where that would be, but let's go. The bishop is taken. Obviously, Petrosian is white and Spassky is black. Then look at this move. Wow, that's a beautiful move. The queen is right there, and this is where uh, you can see the queen is taken, and then the knight goes and takes the rook. And do you see where we have a royal fork? Thanks to the knights. See, knights can be very powerful. And here we have a fork and a forking the king and forking the queen. And there you have it. This is what a royal fork looks like. And obviously, Spassky resigned, losing the queen. There's a lot more advantage. Look how many pawns is going to be in the pawn endgame. It's very obvious at this point who's going to win. So Spassky resigned. And there you have it. And if you know of any other royal forks, let me know. But this is one of the most famous ones on a Super GM stage, Grandmaster stage. And so remember, forking is very important where you're attacking two pieces at the same time. In this case, you're attacking two royal pieces, the king and the queen. Thank you so much, and hit like and subscribe for more content.